This is the Polaris 3900 Sport Pool Cleaner, and I want to show you how to replace the tail sweep foam. See how that one's deteriorated pretty good. Simple to get them off, you just rip it off. And then the new one, they come flat in the packaging. You're going to wonder if they're ever going to puff back up, and they do after a day or two. But anyway, you can either slide it on, or I found that if you just get a little water on there too, kind of helps. And it's good and tight, which is nice. Just got to get it started. You don't want it loose. They've never fallen off, but it's good and tight. But once you find that groove, you get over that first little spot, it just keeps sliding on. You just got to work it on real good. It is a high density foam. I've had the Polaris brand, and I've had the aftermarket, and I've been happy with both of them. I can't tell much of a difference. And there you go. That's all you got to do. Then you throw it back in. This will just sweep across the pool. It'll help clean. But also I think it's helping this hard plastic not rub against the plaster of my pool, so it's protecting my pool as well. So anyway, really simple to change. These last probably 2-3 months at the most. If you're using it every single day. They come in a package of 8 or 10 or 12, depending on which one you get. They've been great, and I replace it before it gets all the way worn down to the plastic so that you're protecting your pool. All right, hope that helps.